This is now day 4 of our big snow event here in Nova Scotia. We're up to 80 centimeters of snow right now. I think the snow has stopped, but the winds seem to still be picking up pretty hard, about 80 kilometers per hour, they say. What do you say, Otis? Should we go around the neighborhood and see what we can see? That's my bedroom window way down in there. Not much light getting in. Go on. Come on, let's go. Now that was worth a walk in itself, seeing Otis trudge through that snow. Oh dear, Otis. Are you thinking this better be worth it? That was quite the trudge. Yeah, come on now. Yes, I guess we got 80 centimeters, they're saying. But up north and east, in places like Cape Breton, they got over 100 centimeters. And twice that much in the drifts. I'm gonna have a little bit. Too much at one time, let me tell you. Even Otis didn't know what to make of it first thing this morning when he wanted to go out. Did ya? I think he was thinking to himself, is it worth trudging through or do it in the house and get myself in trouble? Well, he chose wisely. Didn't ya? Come on, time to go home. What do you think, Otis? Shall we try to get home? There we go. Got the back all shoveled out again. Got the stairs all shoveled out for poor Otis. And wait till you see you get down to the bottom. And we've got a path. Goes all the way around so that poor Otis can do his business where he usually goes. Somewhere around the corner here. all around the backyard. Ay, ay, ay. The things I don't do for him. Even took some time this morning and made some rhubarb muffins. Well, if I want a fire, I got a little bit of digging to do. Not gonna happen today. Well, Otis, what do we got here? We got a special delivery all the way from the state of Texas. That's from the Texas Hikeaholics Travel and Adventure. If you haven't checked out their channel, make sure to check out the description below and find the link. I think you'll enjoy it. Oh, Otis, yes, I know. Our name was chosen during their 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Canada Post is a little slow, so we're just getting to her now. But anyways, let's see what's inside, Otis. Yes! Okay, let's get this thing open. Oh, my gracious. Packed nice and tight. Oh! We have a couple wonderful little stickers. Goes there. You leave those alone. We got a t-shirt with their logo on the front. Oh my gracious sakes. Can you imagine? Look at that. Fantastic Osprey knapsack. Oh man, Otis. You and I are going to be doing some hiking this summer with a hydration pack in it too. That is absolutely fantastic. What else we got in here? Oh, another sticker. That down here. And another little pack. This will be a great addition to put some tea bags in and my little creamer for my tea on the trail. Oh my gracious sakes. A little bit of a note here too. Congratulations and thank you from Craig and Barbara. Thank you very much, Craig and Barbara. That's from the Texas Hikeaholics. Amazing stuff. Isn't that right? Amazing? Yes, it is.